Now, if the line on an angle is a distance and a bearing, well, let's again, control tentative, line it up again, and we're going to do a distance and an angle. So I'm going to do M for mode. So if you look down at the bottom down here, you'll see when I do M, it toggles to distance angle. If I do M again, it goes back to XY. And so it just a toggle back and forth, back and forth. Very, very important that you know M. That's one we're going to use a lot. So I'm going to type a distance of 100. I'm going to tab to get to the angle. So there's no auto switch to the next field as there is with the X and Y. So you just tab over, type an angle of 30, and now I have a line that looks like this, a length of 100 with an angle of 30.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.